Hey everyone, my name is Zino. Welcome to my channel where we dive deep into the tech that makes your entertainment experience top-notch. Today, we're reviewing the newest addition to the Zidoo family, the Z9X 8K media player. It just launched this month and I've been itching to get my hands on this device. So let's find out more. Now let me tell you why this review is so exciting for me. As someone who prefers to have my Blu-ray rips on a NAS or hard disk drive instead of relying on streaming services like Netflix or Disney+, having a dedicated media player is a game changer, and the Zidoo Z9X promises to take things to the next level. Now let's talk about the main differences between a media player like the Zidoo Z9X 8K and other popular devices like the Fire Stick, Google TV Chromecast, or even the Nvidia Shield. While those devices are great for streaming content, they often fall short when it comes down to handling large local libraries and content that you already have stored on your NAS or hard disk drive that you just want to watch easily. That's where devices like the Zidoo Z9X 8K comes in. With a dedicated media player, you get superior support for various file formats, better performances with high bitrate videos, and a more media experience. Devices like the Shield or the Fire Stick offer various content options, but they don't come with a dedicated movie player app built in. You'll need third-party apps like Plex or Kodi to play your local library, which can be complicated to set up good. Otherwise, you use them for streaming content from Netflix or Disney Plus or any of the other streaming services. The Zidoo Z9X 8K is a complete all-in-one device designed specifically for movie playback. Unlike other devices, it doesn't require any third-party downloads or an app store to function. This player is focused entirely on enhancing your movie watching experience. Alright, let's get into some key components of the Zidoo media players. The Zidoo Z9X 8K is known for its robust hardware, exceptional software integration, and user-friendly interface. Inside the box, we have the Zidoo Z9X 8K media player, a slick and well-built remote control, a power adapter, an ultra-high-speed HDMI cable for your 8K content, and of course, user manuals. So let's take a closer look at the ports and the connections. The Zidoo Z9X 8K comes with a comprehensive set of ports: 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, a SATA 3.0 interface, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI output, an audio output, optical audio output, and a RS-232 output. Now let's talk about the specs. The Zidoo Z9X 8K is powered by the new generation of AM Logic S928X K 64 bits of CPU and a G57 MC2 GPU. It comes with 6 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 64 GB of internal storage. That's pretty impressive, but there's more. It supports up to 8K resolution at 60 FPS, HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and even HLG. For audio, it handles Dolby True HD, Dolby Atmos, DTS, and DTS HD Master Audio. It also features dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. So let's talk a bit about the codecs. The innovation of visual technology of Dolby Vision, of course, delivers vivid images, making shadows darker and highlights brighter. And it also comes with the advanced Dolby Vision VS10 video processing engine that ensures the highest image quality when playing any type of content. SDR HDR Dolby Vision with any type of video output, it will improve the quality automatically. So that means that the Z9X 8K not only supports the 10-bit decoding but also the 12-bit decoding. That's 1 billion colors versus 68 billion colors. So that's impressive. So what we're seeing here is the Zidoo software. What we've done is we've connected the power cable, the HDMI cable, we've inserted 3 AAA batteries in this nice remote control, and I've connected to my Wi-Fi 6 network. And I have inserted files in this USB stick, and we're about to find out if it truly can handle all codecs. So what we're doing here is we're going to play each file, we're going to know what codecs that file is using, and we're going to find out if it runs smoothly. So let's get to it. So that's about it for all the test files, and you can see that it runs everything smoothly. A quick note, it is connected to a screen recorder and not directly to a TV. When I connect it directly to a TV, the image quality is far better. So the software of Zidoo comes with a lot of applications. If we dive into the music section, you can go ahead and connect to various music services, but you can also use the music player application and remote connect it to your Zidoo and play everything you want and also files. It comes with DLNA, AirPlay, Tidal, and much more. So diving a bit into the settings, I noticed that you can customize anything that you want, however you want it, and I'm just gonna quick showcase all the settings right here for you. So to recap, the Zidoo Z9X 8K is a powerhouse media player designed for those specifically who prefer to have their media locally stored. So if you have a wide range of library with Blu-ray rips, then this definitely might be worth considering. I will leave the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. So if you found that this review is helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the Zidoo Z9X 8K. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next one.